Welcome to our channel. Today, we explore the compelling issue of why men are, in general terms, more emotionally obscure than women. What is the truth concerning the reason for emotional suppression? Often young boys are verbalized messengers like boys don't cry. Through this conditioning, they teach it to suppress emotions, equating the vulnerability to weakness. The idea of emotional expression as unmasculine becomes widely accepted and propagated, which results in the fact that most men suppress their true inner feelings to conform to societal standards. On a biological level, men and women process their emotions differently. Men generally latch on more to ideas and tend to be more analytical than emotional. Differences in brain structure and hormone levels contribute to the experience and expression of emotions, hence leading to less expressiveness on the part of men. Socialization is basically what comes in. The message goes out that you are a man, hold on to your independence and control, do not share emotions with the world. It makes the emotional self all the time repressed. It would lessen the chances or could reduce the chances of their understanding people on a close level and free expression. Emotional repression can affect the mental health of such individuals. To a large extent, men's lives would have more stress, anxiety, and depression, among other indicators. By allowing free expression of otherwise repressed emotional levels, it might improve the mental health of an individual because it fosters resilience and better ways of coping. Therefore, it is breaking the vicious cycle that binds the suppression of expression by breaking stereotypes and putting into consciousness emotional literacy. Healthy relationships can spring from encouraged men to express emotions. Creating safe spaces where men feel comfortable sharing their feelings is crucial for emotional growth and well-being. A great start can be journaling for men who want to privately explore their emotions. Therapy or peer support groups can be steps toward encouraging men to express their feelings. Mindfulness practices, such as engaging in meditation, can help men become aware of their emotions so that they may express them in a healthier manner. Thanks for watching. If you find it interesting, do well to hit a like and subscribe button. You may also leave your comments below. What do you think? Do men tend to express less emotion?